We made some great announcements at CES for our analytics platform. We're launching our audience management platform, which essentially provides TV networks and service providers with advanced campaign management and media planning functionality using big data and predictive analytics. We have two key products this year. We have Promotion Optimizer and Ad Optimizer. Promotion Optimizer basically helps TV networks and programmers optimize their on-air program promotions, whereas Ad Optimizer basically helps TV networks and service providers optimize their TV ad inventory that they sell. So Rovi Analytics, or Rovi Audience Management Platform, is a 100% data agnostic platform. One of the key things that it does is today there is massive amounts of data sets available, and that's the power of big data, that we not only know what consumers are watching on TV, but we also now know what they're doing off TV. And our platform can ingest all kinds of data, combine that with our proprietary algorithms that identify what ads or what promotions you want to run when on your inventory. So the platform is basically built on the underlying, on the belief that if you really know the underlying audiences that your 30 and 60-second spots deliver, you can do a really good job at optimizing what ads and what promotions run when on your inventory. So big data and analytics will really change the world of advertising. So with our platform, we can really bring advertisers a lot closer to their target audiences. So not only can they use today with our platform, optimize the inventory they have on TV, but the vision is to actually take the same inventory, add other data sets, and optimize the inventory online as well. So we can go cross-platform and actually bring the world a lot closer to the advertisers.